Okay, so this is my first video in a while. I'm not going to be able to film any elevators tonight because it's getting too late, so I will do a demonstration of two padlocks here. This one. I know I've already done a video on this one, so we're going to do a revisit. However, I'm not sure if I've done a demonstration on this or not, so I don't know. So anyway, before we do this, let's get some music going here as soon as I close this window. Okay, what's going on here? Oh, okay. Alright. So here we have the Excelsior, or whatever, 6-lever padlock. Take a look at the key. Frame 6-lever padlock.